For Hyundai Veloster Turbo 1.6 TGDI, unit price 1,798,000 pesos, body, wagon or hatchback, transmission, dual clutch, fuel, gasoline, 20% down payment, 359,600 pesos, monthly payment for 5 years, 31,225.
Litong-lito ka na ba kung anong kotse ang bibilhin na swak sa iyong budget? O kaya'y gusto mong mag-upgrade ng iyong sasakyan? Eksaktong nandito ako para tulungan ka. Hello at welcome sa Car Presyo Ph, ang inyong kaagapay sa latest and updated car price list in the Philippines. Pero bago ko simulan, paki-subscribe at like naman mga best at sir, para ganahan pa akong mag-research at gumawa ng mga videos para sa inyo.
Welcome back mga kapresyo! For today's price list is Hyundai Philippines, or the Philippine pronunciation, Hyundai. I'm going to share to you the 20% down payment and the monthly amortization for 5 years. Let's proceed. Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL manual transmission without airbags, unit price 790,000 pesos, body sedan, transmission manual, fuel gasoline, 20% down payment 158,000 pesos, and the monthly payment for 5 years is 13,720. Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL MT with airbags, unit price 838,000 pesos, sedan, it's manual and gasoline, down payment 167,600 pesos, monthly 14,553. Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL AT without airbags, price 838,000 pesos, sedan, automatic, gasoline, down payment 167,600 pesos. Monthly is 14,553. Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL AT with airbags, price 890,000 pesos. Down payment 178,000 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years will be 15,456. Hyundai Accent 1.6 CRDI MT, price 910,000 pesos. And the fuel is diesel. Down payment 182,000 pesos. Monthly payment 15,804. Hyundai Elantra 1.6 GL AT, unit price 1,065,000 pesos. Body sedan, transmission automatic, fuel gasoline, 20% down payment 213,000 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years 18,496. Hyundai Elantra 1.6 GL MT, unit price 970,000 pesos. Body sedan, transmission manual, fuel gasoline, 20% down payment 194,000 pesos, and the monthly payment for 5 years is 16,846. Hyundai H100 2.6 GL Shuttle Body 5MT without AC, without aircon, unit price 870,000 pesos, body pickup, transmission manual, fuel diesel, 20% down payment 174,000 pesos, monthly payment for 5 years 15,109 pesos. Hyundai H100 2.6 GL Shuttle Body 5MT with front aircon, unit price 900,000 pesos, body it's pickup, manual, diesel, 20% down payment 180,000 pesos, monthly amortization 15,630. Hyundai H100 2.6 GL Jeepney Body 5MT without aircon, unit price 790,000 pesos. 20% down payment 158,000 pesos. monthly payment 13,720. Hyundai H100 2.5 CRDI GL Jeepney Body 6MT without aircon, unit price 950,000 pesos. 20% down payment 190,000 pesos. The monthly payment is 16,498 pesos. Hyundai H100 2.5 CRDI GL Shuttle Body 6MT without aircon, unit price 1,055,000 pesos. 20% down payment 211,000 pesos. Monthly payment 18,322. Hyundai H100 2.5 CRDI GL Shuttle Body 6MT with front aircon, unit price 1,095,000 pesos. 20% down payment 219,000 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years 19,017 pesos. For Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid 1.6 GLS, unit price 1,548,000 pesos. Body, wagon or hatchback. Transmission, dual clutch. Fuel, hybrid. 20% down payment 309,600 pesos. The monthly payment for 5 years 26,884. Hyundai Kona 2.0 GLSAT, unit price 1,118,000 pesos. Body, SUV. Transmission, automatic. Fuel, gasoline. 20% down payment 223,000 pesos and 600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years 19,416 pesos. For Hyundai H350 2.5 A2 Minibus DLS, unit price 2,688,000 pesos. Body, van. Transmission, manual. Fuel, diesel. 20% down payment 537,600 pesos. The monthly payment for 5 years 46,682. Hyundai H350 2.5 A2 Minibus DLX, unit price 2,728,000 pesos. 20% down payment 545,600 pesos. Monthly payment 47,376 pesos. For Hyundai Rena 1.4 GLMT, unit price 683,000 pesos. Body type, sedan. Transmission, manual. Fuel, gasoline. 20% down payment 136,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years 11,861. Hyundai Rena 1.4 GLAT, unit price 733,000 pesos. Transmission, automatic. 20% down payment 146,600 pesos. Monthly payment 12,730. Hyundai Rena 1.4 GLMT with Apple CarPlay / Android Auto, unit price 733,000 pesos. Transmission, manual. 20% down payment 146,600 pesos. Payment for 5 years is 12,730. Hyundai Rena 1.4 GLAT with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, unit price 783,000 pesos. Transmission, automatic. 20% down payment 156,600 pesos. The monthly payment for 5 years is 13,598 pesos. For Hyundai Santa Fe or Grand Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI GLS 4x2 AT mid variant, unit price 2,158,000 pesos. Body type SUV. Transmission, automatic. Fuel, diesel. 20% down payment 431,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years 37,477 pesos. Hyundai Santa Fe Grand Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI GLS 4x2 AT, unit price 2,538,000 pesos. 20% down payment, 507,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 44,077 pesos. For Hyundai Starex, Grand Starex 2.5 CRDI GLS 580 DSL swivel, unit price 2,225,000 pesos. Body type van, transmission automatic, fuel diesel. 20% down payment, 445,000 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 38,641. Hyundai Starex Grand Starex 2.5 CRDI GLS Gold AT, unit price 2,328,000 pesos. 20% down payment, 465,600 pesos. Monthly payment, 40,430 pesos. Hyundai Starex Grand Starex 2.5 CRDI GLS 580 Platinum, unit price 2,938,000 pesos. 20% down payment, 587,600 pesos. Monthly payment, 51,023 pesos. Hyundai Starex Grand Starex 2.5 GLMT seatless, unit price 1,248,000 pesos. Transmission, it's a manual, and the 20% down payment will be 248,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 21,674 pesos. Hyundai Starex Grand Starex 2.5 GLMT, unit price 1,395,000 pesos. Transmission, manual, and the 20% down payment will be 279,000 pesos. The monthly payment for 5 years, 24,227 pesos. For Hyundai Tucson 2.0 GL 4x2 AT, unit price 1,448,000 pesos. Body SUV, transmission automatic, fuel gasoline. 20% down payment, 289,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 37,748. Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDI GL 4x2 AT, unit price 1,715,000 pesos. 20% down payment, 343,000 pesos. Monthly payment, 44,708 pesos. Hyundai Tucson 2.0 GL 4x2 MT, unit price 1,368,000 pesos. Transmission, manual. 20% down payment, 273,600 pesos. The monthly payment for 5 years, 35,662. Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDI GLS 4x2 AT, unit price 1,885,000 pesos. Transmission automatic, fuel diesel. 20% down payment, 377,000 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 49,140 pesos. For Hyundai Veloster Turbo 1.6 TGDI, unit price 1,798,000 pesos. Body Wagon or Hatchback. Transmission dual clutch, fuel gasoline. 20% down payment, 359,600 pesos. Monthly payment for 5 years, 31,225. For Hyundai Venue 1.6 GLS 680, unit price 985,000 pesos. Body SUV, transmission automatic, fuel gasoline. 20% down payment, 197,000. Monthly payment for 5 years, 70,106. Hyundai Venue 1.6 GL 680, unit price 915,000 pesos. Body SUV, transmission automatic, fuel gasoline. The 20% down payment is 183,000 pesos. The monthly payment is 15,891 pesos. At Car Presyo PH, we aim to provide the most accurate and latest vehicles and motorcycles price list as great as possible. However, please note that bank rates and dealership may vary without prior notice. If you're interested to buy, please consult any authorized car dealership near you. Thank you. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and share button.